Oh, stay tuned for more. Stay tuned. I see her a lot. I forgot to say that.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Oh my goodness, you are so cute. You are so cute. Excuse me. I'm just trying to reach the other Superman.
That bridge back, that bridge out. Look at this. Yeah, what's that favorite?
Did you say that? Name. The P word. Did you say it? You holding your head down.
Disgusting!
You're too quiet, sir. Yeah, I'm talking to you in the white shirt. You didn't say it. You said it. Whoever said that P word. We don't serve that here.
Oh, that.
What?
Well, my favorite is orange vanilla. It's not my fault they like sugar water. I like orange vanilla. So when you go and try orange vanilla and taste it, think of me. Your favorite is Superfan Brianna. Alright? Once everybody sees these lights flash like so, you guys are going to enter into the theater to watch your 6-minute presentation on Moments of Happiness.
Come down as far as you can. Please leave those blue covered seats available for our guests with wheelchairs and walkers and anyone needing direct access to the elevator. Everyone, please make sure you have your personal items, including your cell phones. They are the most left out items in this theater.
Over here. We're about to go taste it right now from companies all around the world, even on the products. Oh, hey, hey, how you doing? No, it's okay. You can stay out to the vlog. All right, thank you. All right, so we're gonna try some North American drinks and from Georgia. Try some tap here.
Not bad.
So this is half.
Half a case of this one.
Alright, so this is half. It's not that bad. I'm about to also try some Sprite from Romania. I don't know. Sprite's pretty good, but the one from Romania? Yeah. I mean, you used to have tap before, right?
did. I didn't let it think when you were getting that, but I had the African.
I'm about to take that.
That's a bitter apple tea. Yeah, I like that bitter apple tea.
Actually, the Zimbabwe soda,
It started off kind of
it's
alright.
really
and then
sweet.
I got
It's
the
really sweet.
African.
Alright, so, oh Lord,
Did you try the Beverly? I didn't. Stop the Beverly.
Beverly?
No, I want to vlog you good.
Okay.
Okay.
That's all you need.
All right.
Beverly.
Go back.
Get back. Oh, you. Alright, so this is Beverly.
Okay.
Alright.
Taste
I'm
it.
about to try it. 3, 2.
Get some of the ginger beer to wipe it out. Watch.
And that's close.
Bruh.
Okay, get some of the ginger beer.
Where's the ginger beer?
The one next to the Beverly. Okay.
It's off. Like,
Oh.
ugh. The Beverly is off. So what you drinking now?
The Stony ginger beer. Okay. Now wipe it out.
Yeah, it did wipe it out. Like, oh.
Okay.
Okay. I did wipe it out, but it's actually got a worse. Ugh. You would not want to try that. Is that good? The Beverly. The Beverly. The Beverly was awful. Yeah. Don't try that one. Okay. It's a melon frosty, isn't it? No, I'm talking about the Beverly. And so this is the Fanta from Thailand. You can block me. Can you block me? Alright, so this is the drink from Thailand from Fanta. I'm gonna try and drink this. Yeah, it's really good. Yeah. Don't try the Beverly one. It's awful, like for real. So we're gonna try the one with the green section. There's some more drinks there. Oh, hold on. This is my favorite drink, strawberry. Yeah, unfortunately that one doesn't work. So we're gonna try this one instead. Moldova.
I think that one working.
Yeah, that was not working. You want to block me on this one? Alright, this is the beef soda from Moldova. And I'm gonna try it. Let's see. It's like mixed between alcohol and soda at the same time. Like, it's kind of a weird taste. It's got a weird taste to it.
China one. Try the China one.
The China?
It was filming.
I hate it.
Oh, Lord. Hang on one second.
You gotta wash that down with some blackberry.
Yo. I don't know if this is going to turn out well.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna
You
try
got the China flavor?
Yeah, the China flavor.
All right.
3, 2. Man, it's like barbecue sauce. What is this? What is this? It tastes like barbecue sauce. It doesn't even taste like soda or nothing. Like,
chicken nuggets in it.
That's weird. I appreciate it.
I just realized if I was able to go on that
Oh,
one
look
trip,
at this
I
here.
probably would have tasted this
Thumbs up
earlier.
from India. We got thumbs up from India.
That actually
Look at this here. We tried that one time. Now I remember.
That's good.
Golly. Alright. Oh. Alright, so we have thumbs up from India. We tried that one time. And now I'm about to try it right now. We tried it one time. So this is the second time trying this. Two. It tastes a little bit like tea. It tastes a little bit like tea. Like, you know? And this right here is from Chile. Yeah, I'm gonna try the pizza. Let's try it. Rosa. 3, 2, 1.
I want to get a Coca.
Right. That was really weird. Bro, that was really weird. Yeah, it's like a little bit like tea. Alright, this is a pineapple. Oh. So this is a pineapple grease. Let's try it. Wow. Well, you know, my dad's right. My dad's right. It actually tastes like a real live pineapple. It's really good. And this is the soda from Costa Rica. Anyway, moving on. They got raw over there. That's from Philippines, actually.
Yeah. You act like you know what that is, though.
Ooh.
Let me try and put the what's the
Alright. So this is royal stuff from the Philippines. Yeah, watermelon. Now I'm gonna try this one from the Philippines in 3, 2. What? I tasted the watermelon at first, but then it was actually a little bit better. It was actually a little bit better. I tasted the watermelon at first. Like, what's going on? Alright. This is the apple feta from Thailand. Ooh. Now I'm about to try this one in 3, 2. That tastes a lot like apple. That's really good. That was the tasting section. That was a whole lot. Man. Yeah, the worst I ever tried was the Beverly. Don't try that. Man, we're about to head to Coca-Cola. We're about to sit in the process station. Wow, look at all those pictures. Excuse me. Yeah. No matter what shape. It says something. They made the Coca-Cola. They made the shoe out of the Coca-Cola. Yeah. Even the suitcase. the basket and the giraffe, they're everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're at Scent Discovery right now. And we're about to smell everything. Say to them. Yes, we're at Scent Discovery where every scent takes you somewhere. Like, they're all around. Stay tuned for that. Alright, we're gonna start with the citrus area. Alright. That's really sweet. Whoa. But what do you know? Lemonade is Sprite.
Yeah,
Do you believe that?
like a lemon lime.
And this is the next one right here.
Wait, it's also all three of these just the same? Oh, okay.
Opportunity for you.
Yuzu. Oh my gosh.
What is yuzu?
What is this?
Oh, that's what's in this one?
Yeah. What's this one up here? I can barely read it.
Each column is the same.
Huh?
Each column is the same, so
Oh.
like, that's what you're saying.
I didn't even get a chance to spell it, bro.
Well, too good.
Smells like orange. And of course, it's orange. Thanks, Adrian. This one, I didn't even get a chance to smell it, bro. Anyway, this right here is the fruity category. It smells like raspberry to me. I thought it's like strawberry or something, but this right here, of course, tastes like raspberry. Yeah, remember at the tasting section? But now we're at the scent discovery. Well, this one right here does smell like raspberry. I thought it was strawberry. Peach. It says peach. It's really pretty. Alright, so here's the next one in the fruity category. That was kind of fruity to me, like. Well, would you look at that apple? Up next. Whoa, that's really sweet. Let's see what it is. Cherry. Wow. Okay. That explains it. So this right here next is floral. What? Let's see what it is. Rose. Are you serious? What? Oh. Alright, so here's the next one in the category. I wonder what that smells like. Jasmine. Wow. Costa Chop. Right, here's the next one.
Huh?
That's a weird smell to me. Let's see what that is. What? Lemongrass. What? Look, you gotta smell this. It is lemongrass. Here's the next one. Elderflower. What? Man. And this one right here is herbaceous. Jinx. Wow. This right here? Huh? Okay. We'll be right back. I smelled it, and this is like cucumber right here. Next up, we have the spicy ones. What the? What is this? Clove. What? Seriously? Oh, look at this here. Look. Well, this is different. Oh. That's a new one. We're about to watch a secret formula. We just got back from the secret formula theater. Man, the scariest part of it is when they have the fruits made of spikes. Well, they have spiky fruit. That's just kind of scary to me. So we're about to head to the gift shop to look at everything. And if we want it, we can get it. Safety card. We at the gift shop. What? I didn't know they got headphones. Whoa. Oh. And they got pop sockets. I love this one. And they also got a purse right here. They're everywhere. Yo, they got a jacket right here. Wow. They got a mini hoodie. Bro, look at this one. Yeah, this like a cup. It's a shot glass. That looks like a Coca-Cola shot glass right here. Bro, this crazy. Oh, what do you know? They got a Coca-Cola hair clip.
You got everything.
Wow.
Something they can stamp a Coca-Cola logo on.
I can use this to put my hair up. Am I right?
Yeah.
I walked by and look what I saw. They got the Thomas bottles. This is so crazy. Bruh. And we got a piggy bank. And it got small. And it got 20-inch bottle bank. Calm down. That is so crazy. Alright, y'all. That was the Coca-Cola factory. Next up, we're going to go to my cousin Charlene's house and my Uncle Tim to go on the cookout. Say to y'all. Oh, no, I said Uncle Tim. Tuna, y'all.
Such a good
Had to wait to work.
What are you doing?
Wow.
You broke up with me?
That's crazy. Why would I break up with you?
Hey y'all, so now I'm chilling at the house. And to think that I was gonna have to go outside, it has been a crazy storm. So just gonna sit here and chill. How y'all enjoying it so far? Hey, Madison, how y'all enjoying it so far? How y'all enjoying it so far? Oh, and there's Uncle Tim. You're on camera, Uncle Tim. And Shirley. Yeah. You're on camera, Uncle Tim.
And so again, to be sure that she's been doing.
Yeah, so we over here too. So stay tuned.
Hi, Dad. I wanted you to know that I found my fight again. I want to live. I want to go home. But I'm not going to make it. You're right about everything, and I'm sorry, Dad. By the time you see this, I'll be gone.
packing away, but we got a whole bunch of things. I had a whole lot of fun in Atlanta, so we gotta ask the fam what are their favorite things about going to Atlanta. How about we start with you? What are your favorite things about going to Atlanta? Family. My favorite thing about going to Atlanta is the Coca-Cola factory. Right. We went to the 3D theater and all that stuff. And we also watched the 6-minute video. Man, there are a whole lot of places we've never been before, but we might be back soon. So, stay tuned for the whole thing. And here's the funny part. They got the Bucky swimsuit and the swim trunks. That's so funny. Alright, y'all, so we finally got back home from Atlanta. We also went to Buc-ee's to get our snacks and everything. And I didn't realize they got beaver swimsuits, which is really funny. We also went to the Coca-Cola factory. We went everywhere. We went from the 6-minute film to the 3D theater, which unfortunately I can't record. We also went to Sit Discovery and Taste It. And the worst of it all, I just had the Beverly soda from Italy. That was the worst. I was like, like, what the? Alright. So, anyways, if you... Oh, I almost forgot. We also had to spend a whole lot of time with my Aunt Sandra, cousin Charlene, and my cousin Madison and her boyfriend Tristan, which are a lovey-dovey cute couple. Aww. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you bedazzle that like button, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't ever miss a video from me. Oh, and hit that notification bell too. As always, be your own star and shine bright. See y'all later.